Now moving further, we have powers and roots. Solution. Number one, here we have evaluate the following. We have 9.21 raised to power 4. Number one, we have 9.21 raised to power 4. Also, now we have our draw your table. Number log part. You have your 9.21 raised to power 4. The characteristic part here is 0. You write 0 points. We're going to look for 91 under 1 in our logarithm table. Open the logarithm part. 92 under 1. 92 under 1. We have 9643. 9643. Now, because of this power 4, here when it comes to powers and roots in logarithms of numbers greater than 1, we are going to be applying the multiplication and division law of indices. The multiplication and division laws of indices. Here, whenever you have power, you multiply. If you have root, you divide. Power, multiply, root, divide. What we have here is power of 4. Therefore, we're going to multiply by 4 times 4. Now, multiplying by 4, we have our, this will give us 0.9643 times 4. We give us 3 points. We have our 3.8572. 3.8572. Now we're going to find the anti-log part. Finding the anti-log part. Now looking for 0.85 under 7, difference of 2. In our anti-logarithm table, 0.85 difference of 85 under 7. 85 under 7 give us 71. 85 under 7. We have 7194. 7194. Difference of 2. Difference of 2 here is 3. You add your 3. Add this. We have this plus this. We have 7. Bring down your 9. Bring down 1. Bring down 7. Now, remember what I told you about the characteristic part of the logarithm. It determines the position of anti-log. It determines the position of the decimal point in your anti-logarithm side. Now, here we have 7, and here we have our what? 4 digits. Therefore, we are not going to put the decimal point. If you can, you put it after the last digit. Do you get? So that if you write this number in standard form, the power of 10 is going to be 3. Therefore, our final answer for question number 1 is 7197. Moving over to the second question. We have number 2. Number 2, we have square root of 62.1. Number 2, square root of 62.1. This will give us, draw your table here, have your number, have your log part. Then we have our square root of 62.1. The characteristics part here is going to be 1, is 1 point. Now here we're going to look for 62 under 1 in our logarithm table. 62 under 1. Under 1 will give us 7931. 7931. Here, what we have here is what? Square root. Therefore, we are going to be dividing by 2. Square root, you divide by 2. Cube root, you divide by 3, and so on. Divided by 2. Now we're going to have, that is my calculator. Have your 1.7931 divided by 2. You're going to have about 0.8966. We have 655. I just approximated it to 66. Now we're going to look for the logarithm in our anti-log table. We are going to find the anti-log part. Here we're going to look for 0.89 under 6, difference of 6. 0.89 under 6 will give us 7870. 7870. Difference of 6. Difference of 6 here is 11. We add 11. This plus the 0 plus 1, 1, 0, 7 plus 1, 8. Bring down the 8, there's no other digit. Bring down 7. Now, we have our 0 here as our characteristic, which will determine the position of decimal point. Therefore, we're going to position decimal point here, so that if you write this number in standard form, the power of 10 is going to be 0. Therefore, the rightful position of the decimal point is after your first non-zero digit, which is what? After 7 here. This is our final answer for question number 2. Okay. Question number 3. We have number 3. We have cube root. Cube root of 1630 is equals to, drawing your table, have your number part, have your log. Now what we have here is cube root of 3. Cube root of 1630. Here we're going to, the characteristic part here is 3. Have your 3 points. We're going to look for 16 under 3. There's no difference of 0. Therefore, that one is left hand side. 16. Now put your logarithm part of the table. Look for 16 under 3. 16 under 3 is 2122. 2122. Now what we have here is cube root. Therefore, we'll be dividing by 3. Divided by 3. Here we have our 3.2122 divided by 3 is equals to, we have our, this will give us equals to 1.0707. Now we're going to look for 0.07 under anti-logarithm table. 0.07 under 0, difference of 7. 0.07 under 0 is, 1175. Difference of 7. Difference of 7 here is 2. You add your 2, your difference, which is 2. 5 plus 2 will give us 7. There's no other digit here. Bring down your 7, bring down your 1, bring down your 1. Number 4, we have 95.3 times cube root of 81.4 all over 1.29 raised to power 5 times 2.03 is equals to. Now you draw your table. Have your number side, have your log side. The first number here is 95.3. Write your 95.3. The characteristic part of this number is 1. Have your 1 point. Now we're going to look for 95 under 3 in your log reading table. 95 under 3 here is 9791. 9791. There's no difference here. Now the second number is cube root of 81.4. Here we're going to look for 81 under 4. In our log reading table, 81 under 4 here is 9263. And we do not write the characteristic. The characteristic of this one is 1 point. Now 81 under 4 is 9106. 9106. Here we have the cube root. Therefore, we're going to divide this by 3. Have our 1.9106 divided by 3. You give us 0.6369 approximated. Now we have 0.6369. Now the next thing to do here, since we have gotten this for the second number, next thing we are going to do here, we are going to add the two logs together, the log of this and the log of this one, the second number. Adding the two logs together, you can bring down this one down and bring it. We have 1.9791. Let's add the two logs together because of this multiplication sign. This 9 plus 1 will give us 10. You write 0, carry 1. Add the 1 to this 6, we have 7. 7 plus 9 will give us 16. You write 6, carry 1. Add the 1 to this 3. 3 plus 1 will give us 4. 4 plus 7 will give us 11. You write 1, carry 1. Add the 1 to this 6. 6 plus 1 will give us 7. 7 plus 9 will give us 16. We have our 16. You write your 6. Put your decimal points, carry 1. Add the 1 to this 0. We have 1. 1 plus 1 here will give us 2. This is the sum of the log reading for the what? Numerator. The second one, for the denominator part, let me use this side since this is our last question. You have this. This side is the continuation of number 4. Now we continue from denominator part. We have our, and still draw your line. Have number, have log. Now for the denominator part, we have 1.29 raised to power 5. The characteristic part here is 0. Here we're going to look for 12 under 9 in our log reading table. 12 under 9. 12 under 9 is 1106. 1106. Now power, because of this power 5, we are going to multiply by 5 times 5, and which will give us 0.1106 times 5. Here we're going to have our 0.5530. I just added 0 so that it can be up to 4 decimal places. Now the second number in the denominator part is 2.03. Now 2.03, the characteristic part here is 0, 0 point. Look for 20 under 3 in your logarithm table. 20 under 3 here is 3075. 3075. Now, what else are we going to do? We are going to add the logarithm of this one and this one, which is this number here. We have this. Add your addition sign. You add the two numbers because of this multiplication in between them. You add 0 plus 5, 5. 3 plus 7, 10. You write 0, carry 1, add the 1 to this 5. You have your 6. 6 plus 0, 6. 5 plus 3, 8. Bring down your decimal points, bring down your 0. We are not yet done. Because of this division line, we are going to subtract this from this number here, this logarithm. After the subtraction, then we find the anti-log. Now, subtracting the two logarithms, I'm not going to click on. I still have your number here. Still have your log here. Now here, the first one is here, which is the numerator part. You have 2.6160. Now we have the second one as 0.8605. It is subtraction because of the division line. Now write your subtraction, put a subtraction sign. Here we go. Can wipe off the rest. Zero minus 5, you can't go because 5 is bigger than 0. You carry 1 from here, have your 5 left, call it 1, call it 10, add to this, have this minus this. 10 minus 5 will give us 5. We have 5 here left. 5 minus 0, 5. 1 minus 6 can't go. Carry 1 from 6. You have your 5 left. Add it to this 1. We have what? 11. Carry 1, call it 10. Add it to this 1 here. We have 11. 11 minus 6 will give us 5. Write 5. 5 minus 8, it can't go because 5 is smaller. You carry 1 from here, call it 10. We have 1 left. Add the 10 to 5. We have 15. 15 minus 8 will give us 7. You write 7. Bring down decimal point. Bring down you have 1 here. 1 minus 0 will give us 1. Now we are going to find the antilog of the number. Open your anti-logarithm table. Look for 0.75 under 5, difference of 5. 0.75 under 5. We have this 5689. 5689. Difference of 5. The difference of 5 here is 7. You add your 7. Write your addition sign. 9 plus 7 here will give us 16. Write 6. Carry 1. Add the 1 to 8. You have your 9. Bring down your 6. bring down your 5. You know the work of the characteristic part is only determine the position of the decimal point in such a way that if you write this number in standard form, then your power of 10 is going to be the same number with this characteristic part. For this to be y, we're going to position our decimal point here. And here is our final answer for question number 4. This is where we are going to end today's class.